No, this is for Thunderstorm.
Following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service.
The heck?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has extended a flash flood warning for southeastern Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 4 a.m.
Oh, they expanded it.
At 12:09.
Oh, that's what it was.
Local law enforcement reported numerous water rescues ongoing across the Rockford metro area due to high water on
Was there no singing? That was weird.
What'd you say?
There must have been no singing tones. Just a 1050 hertz. Holy crap.
Rainfall rate is 2 to 3 inches per hour.
You might get a flash flood emergency.
Rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches.
Scanners are insanely busy.
Hazard. Significant flash flooding.
The big thunder you get?
Oh yeah, those are rare. Especially around here.
You better be ready.
Yeah.
Low-lying areas and poor drainage areas. Widespread street and underpass flooding.
Because here comes the next
Possible flooding of structures. Flooding of highways. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rockford, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Rockford Airport, Cherry Valley, and New Milford. A flash flood warning means rapid
Oh, you know
onset
what? I
flooding
bet
is
everybody's
imminent or may
phone in
already be
Rockford
occurring.
went off.
Persons along
Because
creeks,
if it's a
drainage
significant
ditches,
flash flood,
and
the phones will
waterways
go off.
should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering the flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 12:30 a.m.
That was weird.
At 12:06 a.m. A severe
This one activated, so I wonder if it like only had a 1050 hertz tone. That was weird.